Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to track Bento profile analytics in 2026. If you want to monitor your page views, link clicks, and visitor activity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the profile or link page you want to analyze. Next, look for the Analytics, Insights, or Statistics section. If analytics are available on your account, click on it to view your profile performance. Now review the available data, such as total page views, link clicks, visitor activity, and other engagement metrics. These insights can help you understand how people interact with your Bento page. Next, adjust the date range if the option is available. You can compare recent performance with previous days, weeks, or months to identify trends. Now check which links receive the most clicks. This information helps you understand what your audience is most interested in and which content performs best. If your account supports exporting reports, download your analytics for future reference or to share with your team or clients. Finally, review your analytics regularly and update your Bento page based on the results. Keeping your most popular links at the top can improve engagement and make your page more effective. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to track Bento profile analytics step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.